I made this tool specifically for my personal film projects, especially for color grading. I quickly built this to speed up my workflow in applying cinematic color grading, using LAB color space and LUTS. Why I created this easily apply custom cinematic color grading across different computers, especially when I'm away from my main setup. Help other filmmakers and artists who want a simple tool to generate LUTs and preview color grading effects before save time and speed up the color grading process. How to use select your target image, the look or color grade you want to match. Select your source image, the original footage or photo you want to recolor. Choose the output folder where the .cube LUT file will be saved. Click Generate LUT and Preview to instantly see the effect applied to your source image. Once satisfied, click Save LUT to export the .cube file. Import the .cube LUT into After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or any editor that supports LUTs. Thanks for watching.